Ellie's Choco-Nutty cake. This is delicious. Ellie attempts to bake. Add 1 medium-sized egg to a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of flour. Now you need to add 2 tablespoons of any nut spread. I used almond and cashew, but you could use peanut butter if you want to. A quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder. Grab your trusty fork and start whisking. Doesn't this look delicious? Now we got to add our chocolate chips. This is the one thing I never measure, but if we were to measure, I would say about 2 tablespoons would be enough. And always make sure to save enough for yourself. After you have finished whisking for the last time, we need to add the mixture from the bowl into the mug. I make sure that I scrape every single last piece out so I don't waste anything. Place in the microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take it out, but be careful as the mug will be hot. Now all you got to do is take your cake, sit on the sofa and watch some good old television. Hey guys, I hope you like this video. Thumbs up and leave a comment if you want me to do more videos like this. Bye! God damn it, phone, stop recording.